Okay, we're checked in na. We are at room 1202. It's a very small room, but it's good enough for us. Hangers are there. Full body mirror with, what do you call this? Sabitan. May chinelas. Ito, disposable. And this is it. This is the room. It's a double-sized bed. Tapos, may malaking work desk. Extra luggage space below. So, dito ka na lang. There's a big mirror over there. Hot water heater. Free water. Fridge para mag-on siya. Merong robe. This one. Kape at tsaa. Ilaw. More ilaw. Saksakan. HDMI. Bathroom. Good night. Oh. Alarm clock. And what? Ang cute naman. Of this hotel, meron silang unmanned store. That's the ice machine. That's the microwave. And may money exchange rin dito. Ay, Yuri. Ano na? Yung CR pala. Okay. Tanan! This is it. Pansit. Ang importante, bidet. Super linis. Ito yung controls. Ito siya. May towels. Hand towel. Alam mo, marami akong nauhing ganito eh. Laundry bag, towels there, all the bubots that we like. Yung iba ko nga nandiyan. Ay! Ano ba yan? Hand soap, shower. I love this temperature, 40 degrees. Yung favorite ko na shampoo, conditioner at bath soap nila. At may tub. Feeling ko magbabathtub ako. Pang tanggal ng sakit ng katawan talaga yan. Ang linis ng CR kahit na ang liit, no? O siya. Ayan na. For sure, complete ng ating tour. I did a quick run sa groceries sa baba. Hindi ko na kayo sinama kasi nag-charge ako. So anyway, I just bought a big